In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Pabbly Connect using a webhook and capture new responses automatically. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. The goal here is to set up a workflow in Pabbly Connect that listens for new Typeform submissions, sends that data through a webhook, and then lets you use the response in the next action of your automation. To begin, open Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow by clicking on Create Workflow. This is where your automation setup starts, and it gives you the space to define what app will trigger the workflow and what should happen next. Once the workflow is open, choose Typeform as your trigger application. For the trigger event, select New Response. This tells Pabbly that the automation should run every time someone submits a new response through your Typeform form. As soon as you select that trigger, Pabbly will generate a webhook URL for you. This link is extremely important because it acts as the bridge between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. Copy that webhook URL carefully, then open Typeform in a separate tab. Inside Typeform, go to the Connect section, then find Webhooks. This is the area where Typeform allows you to send form submission data to another platform in real time. Paste the webhook URL from Pabbly into the appropriate field in Typeform, then save it so the connection becomes active. After that, it's time to test the setup. Go back to your Typeform and submit a test response. This test is essential because it sends sample data through the webhook, allowing Pabbly Connect to detect the response and pull in the available fields. Once you've submitted the test, return to Pabbly and check whether the data was received successfully. If everything is connected properly, you should now see the test response available inside the workflow. At this stage, you can map the incoming Typeform data and choose the action you want to perform next. Mapping simply means matching the data from the form, like names, answers, or other response fields, to the fields required by the next app or step in your workflow. Take a moment to review the values carefully so everything goes where it should. Once that's done, your workflow is ready to continue with the action you selected. And that's how you connect Typeform to Pabbly Connect, capture new responses, and prepare them for automation.